You are the head of the national government. You see today, people, they are peaceful. There is no incident. This is not Bobasi, it's not Monchari, it's Nyariba in Kitutu. And I want the security apparatus just to analyze the situation how it is. We have not closed anybody out. People, they have come. No incident. There is no way that particular individuals, when we have functioned, especially the functions of the president, they want to show us the muscle. They can bring chaos at that, like the one in Nyantrago, where a police officer arbitrarily were arresting anybody who is thought to be huyu mtu anaonekana kama ni mtu wa Simba, lazima akamatwe. Please, Mr. County Commissioner, you are the head of the national government. We want to request you, your team of security, let us not drive it as politicians. Let us give the security apparatus a chance to work for us. Right now, I'm told there is a baby who got lost here. Simply, etiyo kijana anaonekana ni mtu wa Simba, wame abduct mtoto, wamepotea na yeye. Here in Kitutu. They have killed somebody in Bobasi. They have killed somebody in Nyaribari. Now they have abducted a small baby. The only crime the baby is associated with the father, who is associated with the Simba. Only to instill fear. I want to ask you, Mr. County Commissioner, without arousing so many emotions, kindly, not even Simbarat would want to use the police. Not anybody who is elected want to use the police to cause chaos, to cause pain for people.